Alright, today is our first day of travel. We're currently in Delaware and we're driving up to New York thanks to my dad. We'll be leaving from JFK and then we have a nice long layover in Lisbon, Portugal, and then we'll head over to Copenhagen. So quite a long travel day, but we are very excited.
Very excited. And we found out last night that we got upgraded to business class seats. So this is my first business class flight ever, and I'm really, really excited.
Yes, me too.
And we might actually sleep tonight on the plane.
Yeah, so that's
awesome.
A major plus. So we'll have you guys follow us along for the day. We'll see how this vlog thing goes. We'll try our best. But yeah, follow us along. Jenny, it's going away. Off we go.
Kiss and fly. Love you, son.
Love you, Dad.
Take care. Have fun. Be good.
Miss you.
Alright, love you. Next time I see you, where are you going to be? Australia? I'll see you there, buddy. Ready.
Well, we're about an hour and 30 minutes early. Our airline doesn't even have their check-in gate thing open yet. So good start. Good start, a bit early.
Rather be early than late.
Yes, so we have found some beautiful seats here in Terminal 5. And yeah.
That's all we got.
We begin.
So, there are no desks open, but there is a lit sign that says TAP, and it's 7:06. So I think we're making progress.
Making progress. More updates to come.
That's it.
Okay, we've made it outside to the JFK Terminal 5 awesome rooftop free lounge thing because we don't have a lounge even though we have business class. How you feeling, Jenny?
I love business class. I think I might be spoiled forever. And we get to hang out outside now.
Yeah.
And there's planes back there.
Hang out, cool off out here until we board in a couple hours.
Ah, it's so nice.
We've enjoyed our time on the nice and quiet, calm rooftop besides all the noisy New York traffic. Getting close to boarding, so we're gonna head back into our gate area until we're ready to board. So let's go.
And Starline Gold members to begin boarding through the priority service to arrive.
Ready, Jenny?
Number 7.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Love you. Nice flight.
Thank you. Good evening.
Straight ahead, to your left,
Right
please.
to the left. Okay, thank you.
Olá, boa tarde. Straight ahead and turn to the
Hello. Hi.
Here. Sorry about that.
Jenny.
So much room. I'm so excited. So, this is our little pod for the next 7 hours. This is the TV. This is what I figured out so far. Family light moment.
Jenny is going to review the amenity kit.
So we got this little, what are these called? I don't know. Amenity. I'm a little new to this game. Alright, so I got this amenity kit. It's got a cute little pattern on it. Leather logo. And we have earplugs, a pen, toothbrush and toothpaste, delotion. It's just very, very tiny. Portuguese cork. That one at least is self-explanatory. That's lip balm. Eye mask. Fun socks. They look like circus socks. That's it.
Also got massive black and white. This case and headphones. Remote. Steak, potatoes, roll, mushroom soup, Chardonnay, and other stuff. Midnight. Just woke up. Good rest. It hurts a little bit, but we'll be landing in about 40 minutes, so we'll keep you updated. How was your flight, Jenny?
That was so great. I'm very sad it's over. I slept.
Slept good.
I missed breakfast.
We missed breakfast. But we'll catch it somewhere at the airport. Alright, Jenny, take the lead.
So, we hit a little snag in the road. And ever since we got to the airport yesterday, it's not been feeling so hot. But we did just get to spend a lot of time in the ANA lounge at Lisbon Airport. And we got some snacks. They had lie-down beds, so we spent 3 hours there, took a shower, feeling good, and now we're in the Blue Lounge, also at Lisbon Airport. We had a 7-hour layover today, so just lounge hopping, got some sparkling water, we got him some ginger ale, and we're gonna take care of him, make sure he's okay for our trip. We are going, where are we going? Gate 25, last flight of day 1, even though it's kind of been 2 days. It's been a long day.
What a travel days.